Letter C is due. So I was thinking that we could bake something. What begins with letter C? My favorite spice, cinnamon. Do you have it at home? Go find it because it smells so nice. Mmm. And from cinnamon, we can usually add it to anything that concerns apples. Let's bake apple strudel. What do you think? For that, you will need 7 apples, flour, sugar, of course cinnamon, dough, and some helpers. Helpers, come on! Come help! Here they come. With helpers. Emma, Sasha, and Ola. Okay, let's put you here. Now let's divide tasks. I have here, what is it?
A knife.
A knife. It's very sharp.
Sharp.
Can Ola operate the knife? No. Emma can. Emma, you will peel the apples. Now here we have something. It's another gun. Is it a gun?
No.
What is it called?
A roller.
Roller. Sasha and Ola can operate that. Okay? Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. We can do it.
Peely, 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 peely.
Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Yes, roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Now, Ola's turn. Ola's turn. There you go. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Mommy will operate the oven. Only Mommy can do that. This is very tricky. You have to know what to press. Now we grated the apples, they are here. Then strained them a little bit and made a lovely apple juice. Just for me. Now it's time to stuff the dough. How do we do that? Show me. Go ahead, make your hands dirty. Don't forget to wash them, yeah? I forgot to say. Yeah, put them nicely inside until it's all done. Now it's time for the famous cinnamon. Look at that, don't put too much, otherwise it's not really nice. Now just a little bit.
Mommy.
And now of course sugar. Guys, your help. Now it's time to roll the strudel. I will show you how. You put one flop here, one flop there. The same do here. Sasha, help. One flop here, one flop there. The ends. Well done. Good job. Now let's move it onto the baking tray. And to seal it nicely, you want to use a little bit of water. Put them on your finger. And then make it all sticky. There you go. Now Emma, get a fork please. Don't forget to pinch it to make tiny holes in it so it can breathe. Don't worry, try to kill it. Kill it. That's how, super. And this one. Good job. Now once you have your hands a little bit wet, you can also pat it a little bit. Give it nice, lovely stroke. Don't worry, apple strudel. You'll be fine. We will eat you in a minute. Now when you have it done, you say bye-bye to strudel.
Bye-bye.
We will see you in 20 minutes. After your sauna in the oven. Now, if you have waited 20 or 30 minutes as we did, then this is your reward. The only thing left is to put some sugar on it. Emma, proceed. Then cut it and eat it all at once. Enjoy.